Yesterday, in our topic, we have studied that for the congruency of the two triangles, the sixth part of one triangle should be equal to corresponding sixth part of the another triangle. But after then, we also studied about the criteria. Means the specific three part of one triangle are equal to the specific three part of the another triangle, then both the triangles are also congruent, and these are known as criteria of the congruency of the two triangles. Yesterday we have seen the yes criteria, that is, if three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. So we will see now one example here. In the figure here, A, B, C, D, that is the quadrilateral here. In that quadrilateral, BD is the diagonal, and due to the diagonal of the quadrilateral, we get two triangles, namely ABD as well as triangle CBD. Triangle ABD and triangle CBD. In this figure, AD is equal to CD, means length of AD and length of CD are equal. It is given in the question. Also, AB is equal to CB. Length of AB and length of CB is also equal. Then we have to state the three pairs of the equal parts in triangle ABD and triangle CBD. Second question is a triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD? But if they are congruent, then we have to give the reason why or why not. Third, does BD bisect angle ABD? Angle ABC. Sorry, here it is mistake. Does BD bisect angle ABC? And give reasons. Here angle ABC is there, and if BD is bisecting angle ABC or not. If it is bisecting, then we have to give the reason. So if we observe the figure, we will write the answer here. In a triangle ABD and triangle CBD, in a triangle ABD and triangle CBD, the three pairs of equal part are as follows. AB equal to CB. AB equal to CB, it is given in the question. So I have written here given. Then AD is equal to CD. Also it is given that AD equal to CD. It is also given. But if we observe the figure, then it is seen that there is a one more side BD which is common to both the triangles. Means BD is side of triangle ABD as well as BD is side of triangle CBD, and therefore here BD equal to BD, and that is the common side of both the triangles. And now we know that if three sides of one triangle are equal to corresponding three sides of the another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. And therefore from here, means our second question, answer of second question is from 1. It is seen that triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD according to yes congruent criteria. Then if the two triangles, we know that if the two triangles are congruent, then corresponding sides or corresponding angles are equal. Here it is seen that angle ABD equal to angle CBD that is corresponding parts of congruent triangle, CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now we know that if any line segment is bisecting the angle into two equal angles or into two equal parts, then the segment is called as the bisector of the angle. And here since BD divides angle ABC into two equal angles, that is ABD and CBD, and therefore BD is definitely the bisector of the angle. BD is the bisector of angle. Now we will see the second criteria, that is SAS criteria or side angle side criteria. The criteria states that under a given condition correspondence, if two sides and angle included between them of one triangle are equal to corresponding two sides and angle included between them of another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. I will read it again. Under a given correspondence, if two sides and angle included between them of one triangle are equal to corresponding two sides and angle included between them of another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. Here for the SAS congruent criteria, we will see one example. Here in a triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equal to 7 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, angle B is equal to 50 degree, DE is equal to 5 centimeter, EF is equal to 7 centimeter, and angle E is equal to 50 degree. Then examine whether triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent or not. Means we have to examine. Means for this or to examine the congruency of the two triangle, we have to apply the congruent criteria. So here triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to 7 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle included by these two sides, that is angle B is equal to 50 degree. Then in a triangle DEF, side DE is equal to 5 centimeter, EF is equal to 7 centimeter, and angle included by these two sides DE and EF, that is angle E is equal to 50 degree. So here we can write in a triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we have to take the corresponding sides or corresponding angles. So here AB is 7, and in the figure EF is 7, so AB is equal to EF is equal to 7 centimeter. Then angle B is equal to 50 degree. Angle E is also 50 degree. Then BC is 5 centimeter BC is equal to 5 centimeter, and DE is also 5 centimeter. So it is seen that AB and BC, AB and BC, these are two sides includes angle B, Here EF and D, EF and D, these are two corresponding sides includes angle E. So it is seen that the corresponding two sides and their included angle of one triangle are equal to corresponding two sides and their included angle of the another triangle, and therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF, this is side angle side criteria, side angle side criteria. Now we will see one more question. Example is that in the figure AB is equal to AC. In the figure AB is equal to AC, and AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Here it is given that AD is the bisector. If it is bisector, then it divides angle A into two equal parts. That is angle BAD equal to angle CAD. So these two angles are equal. Now state three pairs of equal parts. State three pairs of equal parts in a triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Here triangle ADB and triangle ADC. So these two triangles formed due to the bisector. Now second question is a triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC? Is a triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC, and give reason. And the third question is angle B equal to angle C? Give reasons. Now we will see that in a triangle ADB and a triangle ADC, the three pairs of equal parts are AB equal to AC. Here side AB of triangle ADB and side AC of triangle ADC both are equal, because it is given in the question. This information is given in the question. So we will write the reason given. Then angle BAD of first triangle equal to angle CAD of second triangle, because AD is the bisector of angle BAC, and therefore angle BAD equal to angle CAD, and reason is AD bisects angle BAC. Now the third part, that is AD equal to AD, because AD is the side of first triangle as well as AD is the side of another triangle. So AD is the common side. So we will write here AD is equal to AD, that is common side, and therefore triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC by SAS congruent criteria. By SAS congruent criteria. And now if the two triangles are equal, then their corresponding angle, that is angle B equal to angle C, and therefore angle B is equal to angle C, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles.